Ahem. Sorry to interrupt your bathing, but have you seen someone around here that can walk on top of the water?
I wouldn't say walk, but I have seen a guy that floats around in circles.
I think that's our guy. Were you able to get a good look at him?
Not really. All I saw was some insect that moved super fast on the water.
Super fast? What about its legs?
Sorry, it moved so fast. I couldn't really see.
If you couldn't see them, maybe they were short. Yes, that makes sense. We have to look for a bug with short legs that moves fast on the water. Gentlemen, let's go to the water.
Oh no, not those guys. How did they get ahead of us?
I won't let them beat us. No way, no how. Yup.
Kick it, shoot your blaster.
Banana blaster!
Are you okay?
Hey guys, they're gonna beat us! Let's use Winnie Piggy!
Bingo! I see a critter with short legs.
Captain, look up there. It's the Forest Detectives.
Coco, get the logbook out quick.
Captain, hurry!
Now the mystery is solved!
The insect that hunts by walking on water is the lightweight water strider. The microhairs on its legs push away the water so that it can walk on it. And the water strider can move very fast. It can travel 100 times its body length in just 1 second.
Fess up, Strider. You have the ancient Shaolin scroll of secret techniques, don't you?
Dream on, there's no such thing.
Captain, we must have been on the wrong track, sir.
We can't hunt big insects like moths.
The water insect that swims around in circles is the whirligig beetle. It swims fast on top of the water by pushing the water away with its legs.
The mystery is solved!